How's it going, everybody? James, Online Car Show. Today I've got a new mod actually for the Camaro. This is a new product from a company called CupHolderHero.com. It's a custom laser fit, custom made cup holder and door compartment liner with cushion. These are a pretty nice looking little product. So without hesitation, let's get into it. All right, everybody, let's do a quick unpackaging here and let's see what we got. Here is the small cup holder. It's kind of a cool backing on this. It appears like it's that kind of sticky material that would stick to a window. So this is pretty nice here. Nice red trim around it. It's got a textured inlay in the middle and a little grip that you can use to pull it out of the cup holder. Here's the larger cup holder. Looks like these are side trims for the door, bottom door pockets, center compartment, door handles, believe that's center console or the charging mount. There's another one in here too. One of these will be for the little charging base in the back, and the other one will be for the center console. Now, those that do have the charging in the back, it does say on their website it does not work with your phone will not charge with this in the ways. Those know the Camaro charging system's kind of weak as it is. You don't want to add anything between, but if you don't have it, like I don't, you can put this back there without any problems. These look really nice, seem to be very well built. Kind of a rubber plastic material, red accent around it, looks real clean. It's gloss red with kind of a matte plastic. So let's get them on the car and see how they look. All right, and just to give you all a little backup with this, you know, this was kind of a late night Amazon purchase, to be honest with you, but honestly, upon receiving them, I'm really glad I did. It was very inexpensive, and you know, cup holders get damaged with coins and all that being in them, and it's nice to have a little cushion under your drinks and for the pockets too. So let's take a look at putting these in. I'm going to go ahead and put them all in. I think y'all pretty much know how they go, and I'm just going to show you the average. Y'all can see this car's only a month old, and I've already got some slime building in there, so it's kind of the exact reason I purchased these. And my cup holders are looking kind of nasty too, so I'm going to wipe these out before putting them in. But just to let y'all know, you know, this is partly why I'm putting these in, is you can take these out, wash them off with a washcloth, put them back in the car, and makes it a lot easier. The rear center console cup or coin holder, whatever you want to call that storage bay thing. Here's the shot of them in the door. This bottom one here, it does not quite fit as nice as the rest of it, but I mean, it's hard. I think it's just the way I have it positioned in there. But the door ones are really cool because they fit right in the little crease of the door, which is really nice, and add a nice little red touch there. And in the shot of them in the cup holder, and the really nice one is the center console. Wow, that looks good. Went around the charger station there very nicely. There you have it. I give this product 2 thumbs up. It seems to be really good quality, and it adds a nice little touch of color and functionality too. This isn't just a mod for looks. It actually has a function in your car. I'm going to put a link to purchase this item off Amazon in my link or in my description in the video. Those looking to get it. Also, their customer service was really quick. I asked them a question about this product when it was being shipped, and they got back to me really quick on it. So if you have any questions, you can contact them directly. CupHero.com.
All right, everybody, be sure to keep watching my videos. I've got intake paint secrets coming up. The RotoFab intake is on the way, Mishimoto catch can, and of course the radar detector review, which I still haven't done. And so be sure to hit the subscribe and like button so you don't miss any of the upcoming updates. Thanks.